That
Go.
Hennessy Raptor R. Hennessy, it doesn't have it. Oh no.
Oh, Today is Tuesday and it's a cold one. We're gonna be adding a drop ceiling in this work area down here. So just making this shop, improving this shop, so it's not as miserable in the wintertime because I hate the winter.
You're probably gonna see me on the ground most of the day because I'm scared of heights. But Carter couldn't wait, so he's up on the scaffolding. If his big butt falls, it's gonna suck. But he's gonna go ahead and start cleaning up, and this first piece fits pretty good, so we're gonna start rolling. When the lift gets here, it'll make it go a lot quicker. You know what digs holes in your ground, makes the mounds?
A gopher?
That's right, I'm gonna go for this and go for that.
Ask me what I'm doing.
What are you doing?
Stupid ass. We're done welding. Now we got to get the welder off, and that works out pretty good. So we're gonna get this thing off of here, and then we're gonna start installing the tin, I guess, on that far wall back there. And then we're gonna have to start pulling all the electrical down so the tin can go under, the electric can go underneath that. We've got one piece of tin up.
Everybody's crying already.
There, that's a lot of work.
Real work starts.
Yeah, this work is not very much fun. Dude, that's tough.
Well, guess what?
We've got 100 more pieces to go. Well, we got like 29 more pieces to go.
Which means we've got like 200 more screws to go.
We've got one section of tin up, but I think once we get past this wall, we're not gonna have to cut anymore. It's gonna go a little bit faster. We're gonna keep at it and keep adding this tin. It's gonna be awesome.
God dang, Chase. Why you gotta do this?
Because you left the light.
I'd buy another one. That something should go dead eventually.
I'm not gonna reach.
That's what I was saying. You should have went on the taller one so you didn't have to crawl like a monkey.
Well, I'm
And then you could have crawled over to the edge. Do not put your weight on that
I
tin.
got my knee on this.
Boy, I'm nervous for you. If he falls through, he's gonna land on those cabinets, so we'll be good.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
We would have not known that because it was going dead.
Yeah, we would have been looking for it. I got it.
Okay, I'm going this way.
Use the side of the wall there, the brick side. There you go.
Hold on. I'm just making sure. Okay. There we go.
There you go.
Now I'm kind of in the clear.
Yeah, you're in the clear.
I like the way this looks.
Good, because we're gonna keep making it look that way.
We're sort of done. Kind of. We're done with the tin part. We're here today. We were working, and Jeff from Vapor Trapper and his brother Jason are here. They came by. They're from out of town. Where are you from?
Tacoma, Washington.
Okay,
Yep.
Tacoma, Washington, and
Now Texas.
now Texas. He's
Tyler, Texas.
right down
Yep.
the road. He owns Swan Racetrack, MX, Swan MX. But yeah, they decided to stop by, check out the shop, and we're in the middle of construction and rewiring and all sorts of stuff. But came by to say hi, so we appreciate that.
Well, we appreciate you and your support with Vapor Trapper. It's just been a great journey all through
Yeah.
all the last year. Yep.
Appreciate it, man. Thank
Love
you.
your videos.
We gotta go check out this Raptor here in a minute.
The Hennessy Raptor R.
He's like, what do I do?
No problem.
See y'all.
That
Go.
Hennessy Raptor R. Hennessy, it doesn't have it. Oh no.
Oh.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Oh no. They broke the window. Oh no. Let's don't tell them. They'll feel terrible.
Son of a.
Oh no.
They'll see this on social media.
Well, it was raptored.
Damn. We got this lift for today and tomorrow, so we gotta make use of it. I'm gonna drive it on the streets.
Just go slow.
All right, end of the day today. We have not filmed at all. We've just been working. Let me show you what we've got done. Now you can tell a huge difference in the lights down here. We had 15 lights before. We're gonna have 36. I've still got one more row to go to add a couple more lights, but this is bright down here. What do you think, Russell?
I'm super pleased because I'm old. My eyes don't work as good as they used to. So having all these lights makes me happy because this is where I spend the bulk of my time down
Yep.
here.
This is-
Squinting.
Squint. But we do have the heater hooked up now. Well, sort of. We got the plumbers are coming to finish up tomorrow and make sure everything pressure tested and check everything out. We'll have that heater working. We got the drop ceiling installed. So this thing is going to be, we're just making the shop nicer and nicer. I'm going to finish these lights. I've got
Yeah, they didn't pick
5
the
more
lift up.
lights. Yeah, I don't know why they didn't pick the lift up. So I've got the lift for one more day. I'm gonna go ahead and utilize it. But let me show you what Josh is doing over here in this other room. Let's go check it out. Josh, what are you doing? Where is Josh?
He come up out of there like a mushroom on Mario.
Putting these QA1 motor plates on.
Oh yeah?
Got this LS3 hanging sideways. Hoping.
Are we about to stab it
Couple
in?
extra hands, yeah, we'll get it stuck in here before the body gets painted.
Sweet. So you're gonna do this, we're about to do this?
I guess.
How much longer? Is it ready?
Yeah.
You're ready.
I'm ready.
Okay.
think that's the easiest motor swap I've ever seen.
That was a pretty easy motor swap.
Motor stack.
So tomorrow, I need fuel lines connected while you got access. And we'll stick a battery on it and see if it'll go.
Oh, it'll fire up. Josh already did that.
Yeah, this would be a good time to run fuel lines though.
Yeah.
You're doing ANs?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Got all the in.
All right, I'm going home now. My
See
truck
ya.
ought to be plenty warm.
Appreciate it.
Thank you.
All right, well, we got the motor put in there. Now I'm gonna go finish installing the 5 lights that I gotta go install. So I'm gonna do that now.
That's a wrap.
What he said.